Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can reset your PIN on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner. Then tap on settings icon at the top left corner. Next, select privacy and safety. Now scroll down and tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Under this section, tap on message storage. Here you'll see the option to reset PIN. Just tap on it, enter your new PIN and then re-enter it to confirm. That's it, your PIN has been successfully changed. You can see the confirmation at the top. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.